And my name is Kent.
And we're here to show you how to keep your car in tip-top shape with some simple and useful tips.
Now today, we are going to teach you how to change your car's coolant.
Now that you've already checked your cooling system and have flushed out any remaining residue of contaminated coolant, it is now time for a refill. Am I correct, Ken?
Yes, you are correct, Gabby. Now, the first thing we have to prepare is the coolant solution. Now, lucky for you, Prestone has what you need in order to ensure that your car's cooling system will be ready to take the heat. Now, remember to check your car manual to find out the capacity of the vehicle's cooling system before refilling it with the new coolant mixture. When preparing your coolant solution, a minimum mixture consists of 50% distilled water and 50% coolant. Now, if your car's manual needs 4 liters of coolant, this means 2 liters of Prestone coolant concentrate and 2 liters of distilled water. However, if you want to prepare different solutions that have different boiling points, you can have varying levels of coolant and distilled water. Now, some cars specify a boiling point of 132 degrees Celsius. To get the right solution, mix 60% Prestone coolant concentrate with 40% distilled water. But it's always a good measure to have a higher degree of boiling point. A mix of 70% Prestone coolant concentrate with 30% distilled water will increase the boiling point to 136 degrees Celsius. You also have the option to use Prestone ready-to-use coolant that gives you the added convenience of a pre-diluted blend that you can instantly top up into your radiator. But here, we'll continue the demo using Prestone coolant concentrate with distilled water. Once you've chosen your preferred solution, it's time for the refilling process. With a funnel, place it into the mouth of the radiator's fill hole. Next, pour it into the radiator until it is completely filled. Don't forget to fill your reservoir with the same mixture until it reaches the marker that says full. And we're almost done. The last thing we have to do now is to burp the cooling system. Burping the cooling system pushes out any air bubbles trapped in your radiator. But how do we do this? With the radiator fill cap still off, start the engine and allow it to run idle. As it runs, continue to add coolant as air escapes the engine and cooling system. To burp the cooling system, simply top up on the coolant water mixture and at the same time, firmly squeeze on both the upper and lower radiator hoses. Once the radiator is filled, put back the radiator cap and stop the engine. Make sure to fill your reservoir with the correct solution as well. Now, Prestone recommends flushing and filling your cooling system regularly with Prestone coolant once a year after its warranty period or for every 40,000 kilometers to maintain maximum engine efficiency and protection. And that's it. You just refilled your cooling system and now your car can take the heat.
To find out more about checking for fluid contamination, coolant testing, or if you want to know how to flush and fill your cooling system, or just go for a refilling, check out these other Prestone Car Care videos.
Now, for more information, follow us on Facebook. That's www.facebook.com/Prestone Philippines.
Never forget to check your car manual to know when to change your coolant. It's easy.
And you avoid costly repairs by preventing overheating, rust, corrosion, and damage to your cooling system.
Always remember, protect it, Prestone.